Another popular use case in GoHighLevel is just the standard invoicing. And it might be more convenient to use invoicing here than, say, to do it in Square. I'll come up to the Invoices and Estimates tab. Then I'll click New Invoice. Up at the top, we have an invoice title. I can select this and give it a new name. I can then select a customer. And we can even link this to an opportunity. So I'll click here, and then the opportunity dropdown will show any opportunity that we had open for Alice. The invoice number, issue date, and due dates will be populated, but you can change these. And then here you can add the product. Here, this is for the podcast episode sponsorship. Alice wants to run several of these, and at the bottom, you'll have additional options. You can add terms and conditions for this invoice, you could charge late fees, you could include tipping, and you can add attachments. On the right, we'll have the preview of our invoice. We could save it as a draft, or we could send it. Again, because this is a demo, and I don't actually want to send this invoice, I'll click back.